At may gabing nakalaan sa kaunting kasiyahan.
Wow! So you're happy now? You already catch a fish.
Whoa, oh, oh. Ra-
See? Maybe
Salamat.
a while ago they don't want to eat your food because it's very hot.
Salamat asa
Unsay
pagpawid
gigamit yung baboy?
ay may darating
Amo na
na
may